Fungi. Most of the fungi, they look like a plant, but they do not have chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is absent, like in mushroom. Just because of chlorophyll absent, it is saprophytic or parasitic. Fungi can be single cell or very complex multicellular organisms. They are found in about any habitat, but most live on the land, mainly in soil or on the plant material rather than in the sea or fresh water. They live on the soil, plant on and in soil and in land. For example, yeast and mushroom. Fungi grow on clothes, shoes, pickles and other articles in wet and humid climate as well. I would like to show you the diagram of mushroom here. It is an example of fungi, you can see, and some more diagrams of example of fungi. Bread mold. You might have seen the white layer or greyish layer on the surface of the bread that is formed after 2 or 3 days. That is called mold. This is formed due to the fungi microorganisms. Here, third point is protozoa. They also depend on somebody else's food. It means they are heterotrophic. Mostly aquatic microorganisms they are, protozoans. Usually they are found in water, like amoeba and paramecium. You might have seen amoeba and paramecium in class 7th. Amoeba and paramecium, they both are found in the water. Now, algae. Algae are either colonial or filamentous, means they algae are found in the groups. You might have seen in a pond there is a green layer under the water. This is the algae, mostly aquatic. Algae are mostly aquatic organisms like Spirogyra, that is found in the water. Like you can see in the diagram here, algae. There are 2 examples of algae, Chlamydomonas and Spirogyra. Now, we will talk about the virus. Here, viruses are also microscopic but are different from the microorganisms. Viruses reproduce only inside the cells of the host organisms. Host means they feed on the parasite plants. Host organism, which may be bacterium, plant or animal. Example, common ailments like cold, influenza, or we can say flu, and most coughs are caused by viruses. Serious diseases like polio and chickenpox are also caused by the viruses. Here I would like to say one more thing. Diseases like dysentery and malaria. Diseases like dysentery and malaria is caused by the protozoans, and typhoid and TB, these are the bacterial diseases. In bacterial diseases, TB and typhoid are the diseases caused by the bacteria. So this is enough for today.